This is an old Sony nugget. There's gonna be a lot of old Sony nuggets in this episode, like this one. This is a newer Sony nugget, but it's still old. It's actually, I think, older than this nugget, but this isn't a nugget because it's a real thing. Here's a pretzel. Let's get this thing open. Surprising how this thing can cut you, but can't cut plastic. Get this plastic thing off. This is brand new, sealed, by the way. I'm gonna be really surprised if this thing actually works. Oh my god, that glue. Was that supposed to come off? Oh, that's disgusting. That's actually glue. That's oh my
even
god.
glued the cable.
Even glued the cable. What about the earbud?
Bruh.
Okay, let's go ahead and plug this in. See what it does. It's not showing any signs of life. I'm pretty sure this cable works. Oh! It works! Oh, okay. Music. Songs. It comes with songs. Masterpiece. This is actually loaded with songs. Does this have any like videos? Whoa, okay.
Is that the World Cup?
Nature. Oh, that's nature right there. That's nature, all right. I rate this like an 8 out of 10. Good job. Not this.
Now we have the Nugget 2.0.
Hopefully this doesn't stick.
They're stuck.
Sony! Oh, it comes with a quick start guide. No one's gonna read that.
It's also
glued on.
Look at that. Look at it. You can see that's.
Oh, you gotta zoom in on that glue right there.
I'm gonna leave this here actually. It comes with a dock, I think. Is this a... Oh,
it's also good.
Beautiful. Oh, there's a speaker.
Okay, we gotta test that.
Built-in speaker.
We have to test that out.
Or use this cable. You.
That's so disgusting. Oh, it's stringy. God, you wanna wrap this on a napkin?
You. Okay. Let's plug it in.
Okay, just now your job is to randomly press some buttons until it turns on.
Epic loading animation.
Go.
This is taking so long. Did the other one boot up faster?
Yes.
Oh, okay, we're gonna wait.
Yeah, we can come back to that.
Okay, we'll just start a different one.
Oh no! As soon as you left the chair, it's turned on. Oh my god!
Give me my chair back. Low battery, please charge.
It's charging.
Oh my god.
The speaker is so bad.
It's loud though. It's loud enough.
Share your moment. You watch share your moment.
Oh my god. Built-in speaker. Stand included. On the Nugget rating list, I give this an 8.5 out of 10.
Alright, let's play a game. Guess what's in the box? Yep, you guessed it. It's a Samsung Yepp. This thing's kind of falling apart, which is why I'm keeping it inside another box. Let's go ahead and take a look at what you get. Belt clip, the Nugget itself, brand new, never used. Some earbuds. This super long and chunky cable. Oh my god, what is this? It's like the Apple double cable with like the USB and the FireWire, except this one has the barrel jack and also the USB thingy. Power brick, some adapters. This is a lot of stuff you get here.
CD
and manuals. We're not gonna read that. Fingerprints. Yes. fingerprints. Yes. That's fingerprinted up right there. Okay, first impressions. This is solid metal. This is actually really high quality. I mean, it's Samsung. What would you expect? Plastic here. Wait, I seriously did not even plug this in. How is it still alive? I did not plug this in before the video. This is like my first time ever seeing this. This is the everlasting battery. This thing has lasted since 2005. How is this supposed to work? This is a male connector. How is this supposed to plug into anything? That just goes right in there. Woohoo! But hopefully this works. Okay. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but that is a really, really low res screen. Let me see if it comes with music. Wait, listen to that. That's a hard drive. Oh my god, they copied Apple. This thing doesn't use flash storage. That's a hard drive. Yappy. Yappy. Yep Groove and Yep Funk. Which one do you want to listen to?
Let's do Yep Funk.
Yep Funk. Does this thing have a speaker? I can literally hear the hard drive whirring.
I think it
does not have a speaker. Let's
dang,
go.
it's not as advanced as the other Nugget.
How do I pause this?
Yep Funk. That's crazy.
Yep Groove.
Probably the back one. I did not. Where's the hard drive?
Okay, I rate this 11 out of 10. This thing literally has some of the best songs. The battery lasted somehow for like over 15 years, and it's made by Samsung. 11 out of 10.
The Walkman -3.0. It's pretty simple. You don't need to plug it in. There's a battery in it. Let's see if this thing still works. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, no signs of life.
Plug it in.
The moment of truth. Now let's find a channel. So bad. If you want to see what I'm dealing with, these numbers aren't even regularly spaced. How am I supposed to select a channel?
This is copyright match. Alright, to recap. 11 out of 10. 2 out of 10. 8.5 out of 10. And it's still charging, and it works, apparently. And then, we have the middle of the pack with 7 out of 10.
I think it was an 8 out of 10.
Really?
I don't remember.
Okay, yeah. This is the best one, though. This one right here. The Yep Groove with the Yep Funk and the Yeppy. This one's the best one. Where's the lunch cap? Oh, here's the lunch cap. Bye-bye!
Yeah.